Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a restrained palette and tokenizing colors. This prevents ad hoc choices later. Once done, define neutrals first. Use 2-3 gray scales for surfaces and text, then map primary and accent roles. Make sure to set target contrast ratios up front. 5:1 for body copy and at least 3:1 for interactive controls. Next, create semantic colors for error, success, warning. This gets you a repeatable system and immediate consistency across components. You now convert design system tokens into concrete components. Start with surfaces. Use layered tones and slight lightness differences rather than pure black backgrounds, and preserve hierarchy with subtle elevation. Once components exist, rework shadows into soft glows or rim highlights because dark themes invert shadow perception. Make sure typography is adjusted, slightly bolder weights, marginally larger sizes, and a touch more tracking improve readability. Finally, test buttons, inputs, and cards across. You finish by validating and implementing the theme. First, run contrast audits and density checks at common zoom levels, then iterate where text or controls fail. Once done, address media. Apply subtle overlays or swap to dark variants of illustrations to avoid harsh highlights. Make sure toggling persists and respects system settings. If problems arise, one key troubleshooting tip: isolate failing elements by stripping overlays and testing plain tokens. This quickly reveals whether contrast, opacity, or blending modes are the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.